Now, we have my template I laid out, right? So what you're going to want to do is, and this is my template that I used for the new glass. So I want to take it and lay it on the template, and then I'm going to take my board and lay it down exactly where the lines of my template show, just like that. And I'm going to be careful and not stick it down too firmly yet, because I want to make sure that my alignment is correct. Like, I've got a little bit of overlap right there that I don't want, because you want it not only in the correct alignment front and back, but you want it twisted and straight as well. Now with the curves, with the way the plastic is laid out, it's pretty obvious on where it needs to, if it needs to twist it all in place. That looks about good. Okay, so then I'm going to very gently press this down. And like I said, my suspicion is that the remainder of the adhesive is more than enough to keep this in place. Okay, so the other thing you could always do if you really wanted to is you could always put a little bit of adhesive or tape on these exposed edges on the top and bottom to help make sure that that stays down. But I feel pretty confident that this is going to stay. If your adhesive tears or doesn't come off as cleanly as mine did, then you're gonna need to use something else to keep it in place. It doesn't have to be very strong. This whole the circuit board and the piece of plastic weigh next to nothing, so you'll just have to be careful with that. Okay.